I've got a package and I've got a Daisy too. Daisy, what the win? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! She's gone. I've got a box. Would you like to see what's in the box? It says, open the door to a new drying experience. If I could get it out, that would... I know what this is. This is my Supersavvyme Lenor Tumble dryer sheets thing. Let's just open it. Oh, it smells good. Oh, ooh, wow. Long-lasting freshness even when tumble drying. Oh, look at all this stuff. I like this stuff. Let me read this first. What does it say? Oh, it smells beautiful. My 5 missions. Experience the freshness. Share the love online. Spread the secret offline. Voice your opinion. Speak to the brand. Oh, have we got 3 cents in here? Have I got 2? Oh, what have I got 2? Oh, you can get 3. You can get Spring Awakening, Sparkling Bloom and Yellow Poppy, Summer Breeze. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay. So in my box, I get Spring Awakening dryer sheets and Sparkling Bloom and 2 Time Social card. 2. I get you. I've got, it's official, I'm in love with Lenor dryer sheets. Static house, long lasting freshness. Want to hear a secret? Lenor dryer sheets make even tumble dried laundry smell chef's kiss. And this is my best chef's kiss face. Lenor hacking, coming, do it the Lenor way and freshen up your day. What else have I got? Ooh, got coupon worth £1 off any Lenor dryer sheets. Where can I have these then? That's good. Melon until August. And there they are. The one, the only Lenor. Let me open them. Oh my god. Oh, they smell really nice. Oh, so it comes in like a little sheet like that. I could just literally sit here and smell it all day. Oh, that literally smells so nice. Imagine going and putting this in your tumble dryer with your clothes, and then when your clothes come out of the tumble dryer, they just feel so nice. It's less staticky because of the actual tumble dryer sheets. Yeah, extra softness, reduced static and reduced creases. And you really want some that smell really nice. I'll keep them in there. Then you've got Lenor. Oh yeah, they smell beautiful. Oh, what do you do? Oh, hey, look at that. You can less wrinkles and easy off. Oh, why? More usages. You can use them in drawers, bags, silk flowers, and car seats. See, the very versatile. they can be used for different things. And it smells really nice. And look at this cute little box it came in. And I get funny little things that I can go chuck up my cats. There you go. Have a thing. You want to play? You want to play? You want to play? No. Can't have in it. No. And that smells really nice. So that'll be me smelling beautiful for... Put them in there. But when I use that, so I'm going to use them every time I go and wash my clothes. And I'm going to go put a wash load on tomorrow. Which will make my men's reel smell nice. So I can use the Lenor fabric conditioner and this, and it makes it smell beautiful and feel really nice. Yes. And I'll be giving my feedback on here too. So this is just a quick little video just to show you what I got from Supersavvyme, #gifted. So thank you very much for watching, and make sure you like the video and subscribe if you want to see me use these in my tumble dryer and show you how soft they are and how nice they smell. Okay, thank you. Bye.